Hi, I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm DeMarcus,
We're at the Museum of Arts and Sciences in Macon, Georgia.
where you can discover the world and explore the universe.
Now, DeMarcus, why don't you head on upstairs and talk with Susan? I'm gonna stay right here and do some exploring.
Tell us a little bit about the space. How long has it been here?
The museum was founded in 1956. It's more than an art museum, it's a science center, a nature center. You find things that new interests that you didn't even know that you had when you walk through the door. Our mission is to instill a passion for lifelong learning.
Tell us what makes this museum so unique.
Few cities have an art museum that is also a science center. So what we have here in Macon is unique, it's rare, it's one of a kind, and it's a perfect fit for our community. We offer something for all ages. It's a very active place of learning. Lots of unique, immersive experiences are available here from every corner of the museum.
How can people learn more about the museum?
Well, the museum is open Tuesday through Saturday from 10 to 5. You'll experience incredible, extraordinary art. You'll experience live encounters with animals. We have a state-of-the-art planetarium. A little bit of everything, I think.
Well, it's been a great time talking with you. I think it's time for me to go find Jake.
Let's go have some fun.
Yeah. We have had a blast today. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for coming.
Looks like we've come full circle. Make sure to add the Museum of Arts and Sciences to your playlist. Jake?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.